Scotty, fire away, buddy.
Don't tempt me. I want a bazooka. Okay, here we go, ladies and
We picked the
gentlemen.
wrong day to quit sniffing glue.
I know, right? Okay, ladies and germs. This rotor
The cracked one.
is an 11 and 15/16 roughly.
It's like
rotor. So we'll say 12 inch.
301.2 millimeter. Yeah, we just got
Correct.
12 inch.
By 26.4.
Yeah.
5x5 rotor. Okay, great, not a problem.
Impala, Caprice, etc.
This is the replacement rotor.
First one that came.
Wrong, and we'll show you why.
Yeah.
So, here's the first one. Drops on, not any major issues.
Nope. 4 3/4 bolt circle, and the diameter is smaller.
Correct.
Now, this is what CPP told us comes in this kit.
So that we can put everything back together.
Yes.
So-
Wrong again, CPP. It's not a 77 Caprice.
So, we look up the rotor, find it, and we get shipped the wrong one. It's in the right, well, the box is right, but the rotor's wrong.
Correct.
We're not saying who, because they're correcting it very quickly. That being said, now we have to wait, because it took us
We've been doing this almost an hour this morning.
58 minutes. So, an hour.
Cake Captain Precision.
I know, right?
Jesus.
Finally find the right rotor, but we've got too many jobs to do. So we have to wait for the right rotor to show up, possibly today, so it'll be a very late day for both of us.
It's always
Get them on, get this thing lowered, get it ready to go, pick up our mess, and be done for the day. But that's either going to be late today by like 6 or Thursday by 2:30, 3 o'clock.
Yeah. No, well, they'll be delivered tomorrow afternoon, so I'll pick them up Thursday morning.
Right. So we can either go get them from a different location
Which
and do
they-
them today, quote, or wait until Thursday. We're hoping for today. It is what it is.
This is a bunch of... All because CPP, the manufacturer of the kit, cannot tell you what rotor they use in their kit, and the part number on that rotor does not jive because it comes to what? 1 1/4 thick rotor.
Yeah.
If that ain't 1 1/4 thick,
No,
that ain't
that's-
gonna fly. There's some sketchy shit going on at CPP. Their people are...
Well, I
Fucking
wouldn't say it's sketchy shit. I would say we probably got an incompetent employee.
Yeah, and that was their tech department.
Yeah. So, I mean, I don't want to say anything like that CPP is doing sketchy shit, because that's
No,
not
they're
the case.
doing- they're
we
being
just
stupid.
got a incompetent employee that did not know his job.
Yeah, but if you can't tell me what rotor you used in your stupid
Correct.
kit, so I can replace them, because you will not... I called and asked,
Okay.
will you sell me the rotors directly? No, you have to buy the whole kit. So you don't sell service parts for your kit.
Oh no, that's how a lot of companies are doing it now.
So how do I continue using your kit that's on my customer's car?
Yep.
Okay,
exactly.
so I get to play Go Fish. And here's the bullshit we're in now. Scotty?
I'll be nice today only because I'm tired. I won't swear for the moment. Let's wait till later in the day and see how it all goes. If it goes good, I'm happy. If it doesn't, then I'll start swearing.
Okay, that works.
Okay, see you guys. Have a good one. We'll see you on the next video.
4 sets of rotors later.
Actually, no.
Yeah, this is the 4th set.
Yeah, 4th set.
Yeah, 4th set of rotors. It's all bled, assembled, greased, ready to go.
Plugged, ported, polished, and raped. I mean,
Jesus. Calm it down. Calm down, Scotty.
absolute nightmare, but it's done,
It's done.
and it'll land on all 4 tires in
About 5
Minutes.
minutes. Yeah, and then it's ready to go over to the legendary Frank at the Alignment Man. Man's a damn legend. All right, she's a beauty. Everything's greased. Everything's. If you love her luber, she's lubed up and ready to roll. Pretty, pretty.